Building prospect lists on LinkedIn by manually searching and copying profiles one by one? Spending hours on repetitive data entry? There's a smarter way to build your outreach database. ThisMake.com blueprint automates LinkedIn prospect research from search to spreadsheet. It searches LinkedIn using ConnectSafely's compliant API, processes every result, and exports clean data directly to Google Sheets, all in one automated flow. Here's the flow. First, the scenario calls ConnectSafely's API to search LinkedIn by keywords, location, and job title. Then it validates the response and loops through each person found. Next, it extracts their profile URL, name, headline, and other key details. Finally, each prospect gets appended to your Google Sheet as a new row, ready for your outreach campaigns. No manual copying, no messy data. Just configure your search criteria once, click Run, and get 100 qualified prospects in your spreadsheet in seconds. Search for SaaS CEOs, growth leaders, or any criteria you need. The automation handles the rest. Ready to automate your LinkedIn prospecting? Download this blueprint, add your ConnectSafely API key and Google Sheets connection, and start building targeted lead lists on autopilot.